So here we are at the main blog page, and you'll see that we have one blog post here which says example blog post, and we get a date, and we get the featured image right here with a link to where they can click and open up the full-size image in a lightbox. Down here we have what is known as a teaser, which is just kind of an excerpt of the main content of the blog post, and then a link to actually read more. This read more link and this title right here go to the exact same place, which is the actual blog post. And when we're looking at the actual blog post, you'll see a very similar formatting to what we had before. You'll see our title up here, although it's not a link anymore. You'll see when it was posted on. We will get the image right here, but no lightbox. We will get right here, we will get the full whatever is in the posting, no matter how large it is. We will go ahead and get all of the content down here. And you can also, in this content area, images can be placed, as well as links to audio and video can be embedded very, very simply. Down below, you'll see there's an area for people to make comments. I'm logged into the system right now, so it's not asking me for a username and email address. If not, it would ask me for a name and email address right here. And it goes ahead and lists the comments that people have made. And if the comment is one that the logged in user has made, there will be the ability to edit the comment itself. If not, the only link over here will be a reply link for somebody to reply directly to that comment, which then will show indented over here as another comment. So let me go ahead and show you how to actually create a blog post. Let's go into the dashboard here. We're going to come over to posts, and I'm going to click on all posts. And that's going to show me that right now we just have one blog post in there, the example blog post. I can click on edit or example blog post. They go to the exact same place, which is going to show me the content over here in our visual, or what's known as a WYSIWYG editor. And you'll see down here I've got the featured image. And those are the two most important parts. Besides the title, the content is going to be the featured image. You do not have to have a featured image for a blog post. That is not required at all. So now there are two ways that I can add a new blog post. I can come over here to add new under here, or I can come over here where I'm on the post edit screen, or even if I'm on the screen listing all the posts. And you'll notice that we always have a shortcut up here that says add new. And when I click on that, it's the same thing as clicking add new here. It's going to allow me to go ahead and create another blog post. So I'm going to go ahead and click and place in a title. We'll call it test posting 2. I will put in some placeholder text right there. Now I'm going to go ahead, and you'll notice there's some formats over here. I'm going to go ahead and use the standard format, which is what you'll mostly use. If you are just going to be displaying a gallery, or just displaying video, or just displaying audio, you want to select one of these. And then all you have to do in here in this area is just put in the URL for what it is you're going to embed. There may be some more obscure media distribution sites that WordPress doesn't automatically know. And if that's the case, then you'll want to go ahead and place in the site's actual embed code for the media. But usually you'll just need to go ahead and place the URL in here. WordPress is going to notice what it is, and it's going to automatically embed that media for you, whether it be video, whether it be audio, whether it be a Picasa gallery, whatever it is. It'll automatically place that in there for you. Over here we have categories, and if you want to categorize different blog posts, you can give it a category. You can simply click on add new category, and I'm just going to put this as category 1. And click add, and it will automatically add it up there and select category 1 for me. Not a problem. I'm going to come down here. If I wanted to tag this and give it a tag, like let's say for instance this had to do with food carts, I would go ahead and put in food carts and just click add. Then we'll go ahead and add that in there as a tag. And now I can go ahead and set a featured image. So here's the video, here is the media library, which is going to show you all the media that's already been uploaded to the system. If you wanted to upload a file yourself, you click upload files, and then you can either drag and drop them into this area or click select files, and it'll give you a very ordinary common interface that you're used to, which is the file browser, to come over and pick whatever file that you want and media that you ever want to upload right there. I don't want to upload any media. I'm just going to go ahead and select a picture that we already have right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click Set Featured Image. And that's going to go ahead and place that in there as a featured image. Once I'm done with that, all I have to do is click Publish. And now, when I come back over here to the blog page, we're going to see that we have Test Posting 2 right here, formatted just like before. We've got a link to the actual post here, a read more link here, a excerpt from our content, and the picture will open up in a lightbox. And when we come in to the actual blog posting. The featured image is up here at the top. All of our content is up here at the bottom. And now we will be able to go to previous or next postings right here with the pager. And down below there is an area for people to make comments. There are no comments right now, and when there are no comments you'll get a little message that says no replies to test posting 2 right here, which will give the name of the post itself and let you know that there are no current comments on the posting right now. So we don't actually want this blog post here, so I'm going to show you how to delete a blog post. I'm going to come into all posts. And here's test posting 2, and I'm going to send that to the trash. It's not going to ask me if I want to send it to the trash. It's just going to send it to the trash. Sending it to the trash is the confirmation that I want to delete it. So when I go into the trash, you'll see I have a couple of blog posts here, and I could either click delete permanently, or if I have more than one to select, I could select manually like this. Or if I want to select them all, I can come over here right up next to the title and click that checkbox, and it will select everything in here. I could also come over here and just click empty trash without selecting anything. But I'm going to go ahead and click on this, come over here to bulk actions, click delete permanently. Bulk actions, delete permanently, and click apply. And that's going to go ahead and delete those permanently. Now they are completely gone. I cannot get them back. But if you have them in the trash, you will be given an option to restore them if you accidentally do send something to the trash. So if you send something to the trash, it's not gone. You can go in and restore it. But once you do delete it from the trash, it is no longer in the database. It has been wiped and it cannot be restored. And now when we come back to the blog page, now we'll see that we're just back to our example blog post, and our test posting 2 has been deleted. So in our next video, we're going to go over menus and widgets.